Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. I will show you how to use this PVC pipe for storing your cables. See, I have this PVC pipe. I have mounted it on my clamp, and I'm going to take about 2 inch and then I'm going to cut it. Okay. So I have this cable here, and I want to show you how to store it. So you take this one, and the other end you bring it here, and then you twist it, and then this one here we insert here and store it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also, like this video and spread the word by sharing this video with your friends. You can click on the share button below and then share this video with your friends via WhatsApp, via email, via Instagram, via LinkedIn, or by sending email to your friends. Thank you.